by the order of these courts on the 27th day of October 2020, the court made an order that the defendant should next date put in his defense, or if he's not putting his defense, he should file address which shall be deemed to be final address. The defendant's portion to that filed motion and comprehensive address. It is based on this that I hold that issues are relieved is highly unmeritorious. Same is hereby dismissed. Like I said earlier, all other issues have been raised through that motion and comprehensive final address that was deemed as final address, and another motion filed thereafter. These courts, in the interest of justice, will not close its eyes to sin. The court will determine all this issue in its judgments. I proceed, I deliver my judgment. Judgment, please.
My Lord, I have an objection. Final written address is a constitutionally mandated right which I must be granted. It is in the constitution of this very country that final written addresses, my Lord, must be granted. I have not waived it, my Lord, and I insist that I address this court on all these issues. My Lord, do not forget.
The defendant?
My Lord.
Consultant, can you tell your...
My Lord, I will not, please, let me finish.
Please.
It's my case.
I've gone...
It is my case, my Lord, let me finish. My Lord, this very court, another idea that FAN was here, my Lord, another idea that FAN said, at the one time we can compete and provide a piece of evidence. A piece of evidence given to the court. I need to write my comment address, my Lord,
on the count charge, which reads thus.
My Lord, I'm saying it clearly.
Defender.
I'm entitled to comment address.
Defender.
What is the comment address? It's in the Constitution. My Lord, my final written address. What is it?
Can you listen to the court?
I'm not, my Lord, please.
Can you listen to the court? Please, I beg you to comport yourself.
My Lord, this is not law. Show me where it says you can waive my right for written address.
Beg you to comport yourself.
Show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address. And I sit down.
You
show me.
In the
My Lord, you are conducting the case for them. You are holding the case for them. Let them show me the Constitution. Show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address.
You have the right to appeal after my...
No, my Lord, this is a perversion of the court of justice. This is not law.
Can you excuse me?
My Lord, I cannot excuse.
Let him take out.
It's not possible. It is not possible, my Lord.
Take him.
You must show me where the Constitution says you have the right to waive my written address. Show me.
Please.
Show me.
Excuse me.
Show me.
Get him.
Leave it. Leave it. I said leave it. This is a court of law. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. I have to speak. I'm under trial. Listen to me. Listen to me, please. I'm under trial. I'm under trial.
Please use the microphone.
I'm under trial. And I beg you. Please. Wait. No, listen to me. Please. The judge must listen to me. Wait. I'm asking a very simple question. No, wait. Please. Look, this is Supreme Court. Wait, hold on. This Supreme Court here. Hold on a second. I said, hold on. Let me please. May I refer your lordship to section 266 of AGJA? It's not court of law. What you're doing is not law.
Please.
You don't know the law.
Please.
Show me. I said, show me where you have the right to waive my right to final address. Show me. What the Constitution says. Show me.
Well, I will rise and come back.
You cannot
can you please take him out? I will come back. I rise.
Show me where it says you can break my right. Show me the place. Show me. Show me. Show me. Which law says you can try me an unwritten law? Show me. You cannot show me. You don't know law. Where is it? Which law gave you that right? And you can try this. You want to try the place I try with me. You want. What's this one doing here? What are you 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 doing here? This is the that attacked me. That's it, you attacked me. That's the fool. I'm going, don't touch me. I'm warning you, don't touch me. I'm warning you, don't touch me. Don't touch me.